life changes after having a knee replacement or hip replacement. The pain which you had in the joint has completely gone away. What we have seen in the normal knee joint is it's having cushions, ligaments, as seen in the picture as well, and patient's worn out knee had become something like this. See, there is nothing left inside. It's all rough, bone is grown on the side, and we have also seen that there has been a deformity in the leg. Let us look at this lady. See how bent her legs are. The distance between the two knees is 14 inches. After a knee replacement, would you believe it that we could straighten out her legs completely? She's looking normal. Your life becomes completely normal after having a joint replacement surgery. Your pain completely goes away. You are able to walk as much as you want. You are able to play recreational activities. You can drive, you can cycle, lead a normal life. It gives complete freedom from pain. And sometimes people are able to do this type of exercises as well. We can see this uncle, his knee replacement was done 16 years back. He is still enjoying excellent quality of life after having had a knee replacement.